Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove objects from photos in just a few simple steps. If you're looking for a way to delete or erase an object from a picture in a minute, I'll walk you through an AI tool that makes it super simple. Today in this video, I'm going to remove this teacup from the photo. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To remove any objects from a photo, first of all, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Once opened, type PicWish.com in your browser address bar and press the Enter key from the keyboard. You will now see a screen like this. If you haven't used this tool before, sign up for the website by clicking the Get Started for Free button. Once you're logged in, you will see a screen like this. From the left side of the screen, click on the Photo Editing option. Under the Photo Editing section, you'll see various editing tools. Find and click on the Photo Retouch option. Now, choose a photo from your device gallery to delete a specific part or object from the picture. Once the photo is uploaded, you'll see different options on the left side of the screen. In this photo, I'm going to erase this teacup and plate from the picture. To do that, select the brush tool from the left side and start highlighting the object you want to remove. Once the object is selected, click on the Remove button on the left side of the screen. Now, this AI tool will automatically remove the selected object from the photo. Look at the picture. Now, the cup is removed from the table. To save this picture to your device, simply click on the Save button at the top right of the screen and select Free Image from the drop-down menu.